Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Little short video on how a deal called reflect nodes. I'm going to draw an ellipse and hit P. I'm going to go up to object and convert it. Okay, if we look now, there's only one node. If we select it and go up to object and convert it to a curve, we now have 4 nodes. If you will select these 2 nodes and go right here to reflect nodes horizontally, and actually probably hold in your control button and have them snap right there. Control D and make a duplicate. They're centerable already, so we're going to rotate them 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. Let's make them a little thicker line than a hairline. You know what? Let's go a little thicker yet. And then let's go to object and convert the outlines to an object. You've got to do that to do this. I'm going to do this right here. I'll left click, right click, and I'm going to go ahead and weld them. See, now it's all one unit. So I can take my Smart Fill tool now and fill it in. I'm going to go ahead and use red. And the Smart Fill tool makes a new object. So I'm going to get rid of the outlines and just work with the object, with the fill. Then I'm going to get you don't have to do this, interactive fill, and then make it yellow. And you've got that right there. And it was so simple. Now what you could also do with this exact same thing, get back to the interactive fill tool and go right here to elliptical, put it in the center and look at the difference. And then you could go right here and pick another color. And you can only do that when it's an object. That's pretty cool. Now we're not in the center, as you can tell, but you can always get it back and move that right to the center. Anyway, reflect nodes. You can do them vertically or horizontally. There's an icon for that. Let's just go over that real quick. So draw an ellipse, convert it to a curve, and you could actually grab those and you can see this is horizontally, this is vertically. So I could have gone the other direction with vertically. And what it does, it keeps them moving at the same rate. But I would strongly suggest holding down the control button so they're and you could do that. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit, and thank you for watching.